Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, stop scrolling because I just found the definition of a dream home kitchen, and you have to see this. This Modern Tudor organic style kitchen is giving me life, and honestly, it's a total game changer. Wow. I mean, look at the drama. They went bold. We're talking deep charcoal cabinets and countertops that look like liquid night sky. That black marble with the white veining is just chef's kiss. And the height? The ceilings are almost 9 feet 6 inches up, making this space feel massive. But my absolute favorite feature is that central island. It's huge, easily 8 feet long, perfect for hosting or just spreading out all your farmer's market finds. And it's right next to these huge, gorgeous grid windows that let the light just pour in. You know, typically dark kitchens can feel cramped, but this is the opposite. It's elegant, it's grounded, and it's just so sophisticated. So often we settle for boring, standard kitchens that just feel like a utility space. This design completely eliminates the housing drama of clutter and drab. Everything is integrated. The appliances are sleek matte black, and that custom range hood above the stove, it's basically art. This kitchen solves the problem of a boring remodel by bringing high fashion drama right into your everyday life. It's effortless luxury, right? This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.